Hello everyone. How's it going? By the way, as you know, Chapter 6 Season 2 has already begun. Unfortunately, in some devices, you can't play with 90 FPS or 120 FPS even though you have configured proper FPS and settings correctly. In that case, your device is capped 60 FPS like this. You might want to know how to fix it. So, today, I'll show you how to unlock 90 FPS or 120 FPS without root as latest version. I'm thinking of showing two methods. You can choose it according to your preference. Let's get started. First of all, I want to show you which device I'm using. This is OnePlus 9 with Oxygen OS, Android 14 like this. To diagnose and troubleshoot in the case of some problems, activate developer options by tapping 7 times on the build number or version number, then enable show refresh rate. Now, you can see the current refresh rate on the top left. If your device doesn't work with 120 FPS, you should check it out first. Let's go to the first method. Type 1 method. You need to install these apps in addition to Frotnite Mobile. Multiple accounts. Browser app except for Google Chrome browser, like Firefox, Samsung Internet Browser. Root browser is for file management. I put the links of these apps in the description. Caution: don't install multiple accounts and root browser from Google Play Store. In general, these apps which are installed from Google Play Store don't work correctly. Please read the description about the details, how to download these apps. Also, if you use the first method, you need to disable auto-update apps. Unless you disable the function, multiple accounts will be automatically updated. Eventually it won't work correctly. Sooner or later, Frotnite icon will be removed from multiple accounts like this. As a result of that, you will be unable to play Frotnite. I recommend disabling auto-update apps following the next instruction. Open Google Play Store app, at the top right, tap the profile icon, tap Settings, Network Preferences. Select Auto-update apps. Select Don't auto-update apps, and select Done. In terms of root browser, when you install it on Android 14 or later version, the message will come up like this. You don't need to worry about it. I customized the app to install on Android 14 forcibly, so that caused the message. When you download and install root browser from the link I provided, unsafe app blocked message might appear. In that case, select More Details and tap Install anyway. The installation will be done successfully. First, run multiple accounts after installing all of them. Once multiple account starts, you have to add the rest of 3 apps into it. Next, run Frotnite Mobile for multiple accounts and wait for being available. Once it starts completely and login button is displayed, please log in Frotnite via browser app you installed earlier. Caution: you have to use browser of multiple account. As a difference, multiple account is added the end of the browser name. Caution: in some devices, it fails to log in automatically. In that case, you should update multiple account on Play Store. And try again. Once Frotnite has started and you reach the lobby, check the settings. You don't need to change mobile frame rate here. If you want to change settings from menu, you should complete it at this time. For example, show FPS, matchmaking region, language. Caution: we are going to modify frame rate as 120 FPS at next steps. Don't open settings from this menu after that. If you do that, 120 FPS setting will be gone. So you have to start over in that case. Swipe the windows of Frotnite Mobile to terminate it. Next, run root browser for multiple accounts. You might be asked to allow some permissions and accept them. Modify the setting file. The detailed path of the file is shown on this screen. Please check it out. Open the file as text file. Update the parameter mobile FPS mode from 30 FPS to 120 FPS. Overwrite it after you finish modifying. Reopen the file and confirm the parameter is updated. That's all. Just start the Frotnite Mobile from multiple accounts. Check the FPS shows around 120. First method tutorial is done. Let's go to another method. Type 2 method. If you fail in enabling 120 FPS by using Type 1 method, let's try this way. All you need is to install one app, so-called PixL. I put the link of this app in the description. First of all, open PixL after you complete installing it. Update found message might appear, then update. Once the update is completed, you might need to allow install unknown apps from this device. After you do that, you need to install again. After the installation, PixL windows will open. Here, tap Frotnite. If you have already installed Frotnite, you have to uninstall it for next steps. After the uninstallation, download button is available. Tap it. Action required window will appear. It is necessary to tap load ad button and see advertisement. After the ad, the download process starts. When you are asked if you install Frotnite, tap install button. Open Frotnite after the installation. Frotnite window will show up as usual, complete login and reach the lobby. Check the settings. You don't need to change mobile frame rate here. If you want to change settings from menu, you should complete it at this time. For example, show FPS, matchmaking region, language. Caution. We are going to modify frame rate as 120 FPS at next step. Don't open settings from this menu after that. If you do that, 120 FPS setting will be gone. So you have to start over in that case. Swipe the windows to terminate Frotnite Mobile. Go back to PixL and tap Void FX app at the bottom. Action required window will appear and tap load ad button. After the ad, you can install Void FX and open it. When Void FX current settings show up, tap Open GFX Settings button at the bottom. You are able to modify settings. Please change the settings following this video. After the modification, tap Apply Settings button at the bottom. Action required window will appear and tap Load Ad button. If success message appears, everything is okay. The task of enabling 120 FPS settings is done. Back to home of PixL. Tap Frotnite again. Tap Download button and install Frotnite. Just start Frotnite Mobile from home icon. Check the FPS shows around 120. That's all for today. If you do well by following my instructions, let us know what your device and OS version is. The feedback must be useful for other Frotnite Mobile users. I hope you all can play at 120 FPS like me. Enjoy Frotnite Mobile. If you feel this video is useful and nice, please click the good button, subscribe this channel. Maybe you have some questions. Feel free to make a comment. See you soon. Bye.